Hello guys, welcome to this video. If you are a new visitor to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all this video. It might be helpful for your trading purpose, and also subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Also, if you want to know more about my additional services, you can just visit my tradingzero.blogspot.in for the more information regarding my trading courses and more strategies and etc. This link is in the description below if you guys are interested to check it out. Well guys, in this video I'll be talking about one simple thing. Like many people are asking me that there are many strategies in the YouTube or even in my channel also, like how to use the strategy, like which strategies to use at what time, they're asking. Even because last from 2 to 3 days I uploaded my back-to-back strategies, okay, like intraday trading using SAR and Renko, and intraday trading using RSI and trend intensity. So when I uploaded these two videos, like many people were confused, like if we see more strategies, we will be confused and don't know what to use. So guys, in this video I'll be talking about how to use the strategies. Whatever you see in the YouTube, it's not only in my channel, like whatever the strategy you see in YouTube, or anywhere, I'll tell you today how to use it. Okay, how to use the strategies, what you see. So guys, first thing is that whenever you see a strategy, just take it into your head, get a knowledge of it, what the strategy is telling, whether it's in my channel or in any way, in any other way. Just understand the strategy and keep the strategy in your head. Now, for example, how I use my strategies or any strategy which I see when I'm trading, I'll tell you that. For example, in yesterday's video, I was using I did a trade using RSI and awesome oscillator. You can just check this video if you're not checked. In this trading, I just used RSI and awesome oscillator for trading. Now, when I'm using, actually I made a video on this. Okay, I'll just show you that. This is the video. Okay, Intraday Trading. I can just check the link below. I'll give a link for this both videos in the description below. You can just check that out. When I used this strategy for making money yesterday. So to confirm that trade, I used some other strategy, like my technical strategy, which is different from this. I used that. So what I do is, maybe I use this intraday day using dual SAR. Okay, maybe I use this strategy for confirmation. So it's like that. Whenever you get a strategy, keep it in your head. You should mix the strategy to get a more accuracy. For example, if you know some 2 or 3 strategies, in that 1 or 2 strategies, like almost like 90%. So make sure you use the 2 strategies also. Like just keep checking on the charts. This is I'm only talking about the indicator based chart. There are formula based strategies also. Those formula based strategies are really good, and they don't have to watch the charts always like this. They'll just have some formula. If it's open above buy, it's open below sell of some answer, it will be like that. Those are called as formula based strategy. Okay, in formula based strategy you can't do like mixing other strategy or do anything like that. But in this kind of technical strategies based on charts, what you can do is you can mix your strategies, whatever you have seen, like 1 or 2 strategies. I know if you're a trader, you will have a lot more strategies in your head. So basically you have to list it out, like make a list of 3 or 4 strategies which is working for you. And also guys, not every strategy will work on every segment, like in every trend of a market, what I mean to say. Okay, but so that time what you have to do is, you should self-analyze yourself. Like some people are good at only at charting, some people are good at only for going long. Even when I started trading beginning, I was only good at going longs. In charting I was not very clear. Okay, now I know both. So it was like that to me. So now you should analyze yourself in which market suits you, whether the uptrend market, sideways market, or the downtrend market. So trade according to that, and see which setup suits you. So trade according to that, and don't lose the money. Okay, when you make a profit also, just analyze that day why you made a profit that day, on what basis you made a profit that day, and what strategy you use, and what fetched you the profit. That's when you come to know that you are trading. That's how professional trader think on it. Okay, and even you should think on that way too. And if you get a loss also, just try to know why you made a loss that day, what strategy made you loss, which stock or which commodity, whichever you're trading, whichever script made you loss, and what was the market condition that day. Did you get any news, I mean, based on that stock or equity, anything. Was there any news on that day? Why did it fail? So just try to analyze it so that you can get more knowledge. Learning, it's a self learning, guys. Okay, even when you make a profit also you should analyze that. Even when you make a loss also you should analyze it. That's when you can get more knowledge and grow, and be careful on making it. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful to you in some or the other way. And so today, from today, just make sure you, whatever the strategy you use, you use it and keep it in your head and use it as a knowledge. Okay, even knowledge is important from every corner of the world, from anywhere you get. So make sure whatever the strategy or whatever the knowledge you see on the market, keep it inside your head only, but use it whenever you need. Okay, so make sure you whenever you're trading, just check with the 2 or 3 strategies. If the 2 or 3 strategy what you're checking on the chart is saying a buy, for example, if it's saying a buy, then you can exactly buy it and that will give you a profit. If 2 or 3 strategies what you believe that is working like almost like 90% or 95% accuracy, so if all the 2 or 3 strategies are telling sell, then you can sell sell, so then you can make a profit. It's good, right? So when only one, if you are using one single strategy, it might not be that effective. But when you use like this a couple of strategies, and if those couple of strategies also giving a same signal in the same side, then it's like 100% winning trades. That's how we can get. Even yesterday also, when I'm trading this RSI and Oscillator, I use my other indicators also, like my other strategies what are there, just in my channel itself. So this is the answer what I'm giving for the subscribers or people who ask like there are so many strategies in the YouTube, so how to use it's confusing. It's never confusing, guys. Always learn the knowledge, but try to know how to use it and when to use it. So analyze on what market you work will be good for you, whether in uptrend market or a downtrend market or a sideways, or then based on that go to the strategy picking. Okay, so you pick the strategy what you want and which you are suitable at. And also, so many people say like they are going to office and can't see the chat always like that. So even you also should see, you should make a other kind of strategies, like seeing a chat hourly once, or just looking for signals for a trade or something like that. Okay, I know if you are a professional you can't see the chart always, so you should just make like that. You just check the chart at 30 minutes once or 1 hour once, and so that just check for the signal and then go for a trade. So even that will be a good thing. Okay, and I want to show you a quick trick in Zarada. I guess so many people know this, but if you guys don't know this trick, I'll just show you, because I mean to say you can just save so many views, that is strategies, if you are using a technical based strategy. Okay, for example, this is a strategy of awesome oscillator. You can just go to view, and as you can see there are so many settings what I've saved here. I'll tell you how to do it. For example, this is how the plain chart looks. Okay, for 15 minutes chart. For example, now you have to save some studies. For example, if you have seen my strategy and if you want to save that, I'll tell you. For example, let me just start off ADX or any two indicator. Okay, so this is the strategy what you have seen on the YouTube, or any strategy which you are saving it. So now these are the indicators what you have saved now. For example, I'm telling you now, if you have to save this view for any time, just go to views and use save view. Just rename this as ADX or something, whatever the name you desire. So this view will always be there. Now this is one strategy, let's assume this is strategy number 1, and this strategy is telling you a buy. Now we have to confirm with other strategy. Now we can just go to other strategy like this one, like EMA only or something like that, and get a confirmation like this. Or go to, these are some of the simply views what I've saved and kept. So just go to like these strategies, like this view, just make a lot of views. Like if I want to use my rainbow strategy, I have already said it, just go to this. Even this strategy is also telling a buy, then I'll definitely go and buy. It's like that. Okay, now if I want to just go to ADX and confirm it, let me just find the ADX, and if it's telling ADX and also telling a buy, then I got a confirmation of 2 strategies. Now let me check my rainbow strategy also. If my rainbow strategy is also telling a buy, then it's confirmed that I'm going to buy this stock. So this is how it will work. And I just wanted to share this trick of saving the views. I know many of people know this, but some people don't know the way of saving the strategies, so in the chat based system. So I just showed them that. So I hope this video was knowledgeable to you, and hope you guys understood how to use the strategies what you have seen. I know a trader will have a lot more of strategy, and also a trader keeps on making his own strategies also. So when you keep on making your own strategies, that's good, but you paper trade on your strategies, and once you're confident on that, then you go and make a real trade. Okay, before that, don't ever trade on the direct money until you're confident about. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you, and for more trading knowledge and strategies, do subscribe to my channel, and also do give a like for this video, and share this video for the traders, or for the traders who you are friend with, if you felt this video is helpful for you. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much.